Good morning, dear students. In all the previous classes, you learn one chapter named keyboard. You have to write down from the page number 46 in the textbook this words keyboard, KEYBOARD, then the alphabet ALPHABET. Here space are also given. Number NUMBER, cursor CURSOR. So just revise the what we learned here. First, using a keyboard, name of chapter. First we are learning the keys. First key is the alphabet key, means A to Z. Then we learn the numeric key, that is the 0 to 9. Okay, you can see the images also here. Then we learn the other keys. First is the space bar, the longest key in the keyboard. Second is the enter key, that is used for go to the next line. Backspace, it's a work as a eraser to delete a word. Arrow keys, up arrow key, down arrow key, left arrow key and the right arrow key to change the cursor size. Next is the jumble word. Here we are solving the exercise question 1, jumbled words. You can see here the letters are jumbled, means it's not on the proper way. There are the different way we have to be arranged them. So KBYDOAER, that will be a one word given to you. So we have to be arrange it like this. I know that first I'm taking the key K. It's a keyboard, so K. Then you can do like this, so that's why you can easily identify which words are remaining. E, Y, B, O, A, R, and last word is remaining the D. It's a keyboard, KEYBOARD. Next, PACES, space, that have a space, means this is a one word, that is the second word. RAB, from the RAB I can understood it's a bar. So from which key have a bar word, that is the space bar. So S, P, A, C, E. So space bar. Next, that will be ALPAHEPTYKE. From between them, that is also one space. So it's a alphabet key. A, L, P, A, alphabet, B, E, T, K, E, Y, alphabet key. Next, BKEPACSSC. It's a look like a backspace, so let's check it's a backspace or not. B, A, C, K, S, P, A, C, and the E. So it's a backspace. Next, color the computer screen that has a correct answer. Remember students, for this you have only used the pencil color or simple pencil to color it. आपको सिंपल कोई भी पेंसिल कलर या फिर पेंसिल का ही यूज़ करना है. आई एम नॉट टेलिंग दैट you have to use only one color. You can use any of the color. You can also use the crayons, but do not use the sketch pens. First, A, to type a phone number you will use. phone number में क्या होते हैं, numbers होते हैं. So alphabet key, number key, enter key. You know, for the type a number we are using the number key, so you have to be shade it like this. Light shade. B, to give space between two words, you press the वर्ड के बीच में अगर आपको स्पेस करनी हो तो उसके लिए आप यूज़ करेंगे स्पेस बार की, नंबर की, एरोस की. सो फॉर दैट, number key are for the numbers, arrow key is used to move the cursor, so space bar is the answer. You have to be make a shade like this. To write a poem you will use, poem means a text. पोएम मतलब आपको वर्ड्स लिखने हैं. ये जो आप देख रहे हैं वो लेटर्स है. सो फॉर दैट यू आर यूजिंग अल्फ़ाबेट की, नंबर की, एंटर की. एंटर की हम नेक्स्ट लाइन के लिए यूज़ करेंगे, नंबर की नंबर्स लिखने के लिए. तो वी आर यूजिंग द अल्फ़ाबेट की. डी, टू मूव द कर्सर टू नेक्स्ट लाइन यू प्रेस. अगर आपको नेक्स्ट लाइन पे जाना है तो स्पेस बार. स्पेस बार तो स्पेस के लिए यूज़ होता है. Number key, to write a numbers we are using the number key, and the enter key. So it's a answer for the next line. Next, page number 49, fill in the blanks. Blank is the longest key on the keyboard. आपको पता ही है, ये रहा हमारा कीबोर्ड की एक इमेज आपको यहाँ नीचे दिखाई दे रही है. सबसे बड़ी की जो की है वो है स्पेस बार. सो आंसर इज SPACEBAR, space bar. Then second, B, the blank key is used to start typing from new line. अगर आपको नई लाइन से स्टार्ट करना हो तो new line means it's like a next line. So for that you can use the enter key, ENTER. C, blank key can be used to erase type words or number. इरेज करने के लिए आपको पता है हमारे जो कीबोर्ड है उसमें एक ही इरेजर है, दैट इज द बैक स्पेस. सो BACKSPACE, बैक स्पेस. Arrow keys are also known as blank control keys. Okay, so you have to tell the other name. So other name is cursor control keys, क्योंकि हम उसको कर्सर को मूव करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. राइट डाउन द नेम ऑफ योर स्कूल. यहाँ पे आपको लिख देना है पोदार इंटरनेशनल स्कूल, हिम्मतनगर. Next, color all the alphabets that appear in the name of your school in the keyboard given below. आपको यहाँ से देखना है कि कौन कौन से लेटर्स आ रहा है, वो आपको कलर करना है. जैसे कि P, सो ये रहा P. आप उसको ऐसे शेड करोगे. अगेन यू हैव टू यूज़ द पेंसिल कलर, or you can use also the crayons, but do not use the sketch pen here. O, I am suggesting you that you can use the different colors over here. Then D, A, R. So ये पोदार जो है वो कलर हो गया. Then again you have to international, but whenever two words are came तो आपको एक ही बार करना है, दो बार करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Right? So here our exercise is done. Next is the lab activity. Observe the keyboard in your computer lab. आपके घर पे कीबोर्ड हो या फिर आपको यहाँ पे इमेज दिख रही है, आप वो भी देख सकते हो. In your computer lab, count the total number of keys listed below on the keyboard. Write down the count in the correct box. आपको काउंट करनी है कि कितनी कीज़ है और आपको वो लिखनी है. Okay, so I will be show you the keyboard to you. So this is our keyboard. I have that. Now what we have to do, first you can see here enter key. You have to count the number of enter keys. So enter key, one enter key, this is the second enter key. So two enter keys are there, so you have to write down here 2. Then arrow keys, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 arrow keys, so you have to write down the 4 here. Then space bar key. You can see in the image there is only one space bar key. So here write down the 1. Okay, so here we done our chapter, and hoping that you are also writing your assignment that I send in the group in your notebook. So complete this exercise in your textbook. Bye everyone, have a good day.